this is Hans coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I'm doing a combo thing. This is Dara from Ciptarasa. It's a noodle, there's no seasoning. However, they also make the seasoning. This is Ciptarasa Goreng seasoning. So, that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna try to use this stuff and that stuff and make some goreng, and it should go really well. That's my hope. That's what I think will happen. And we're gonna cook it for 3 minutes. That might be too much. I don't know. We'll find out on today's episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Come on, noodles. Gotta get back to a boil. I don't know if you can see it, but when the steam's going, the lasers go into steam, and it's kind of a neat effect. But yeah. Can you see those lasers? Can you see the lasers, gentlemen? It's right over here. Yeah, you might be able to see that. Anyways, how's it going? It's the third one I've done today. 3 different varieties from Ciptarasa, and this has been good. It's been a good series of noodles from them, and seasonings and types and styles and stuff. I really love Indonesian food, so this has been really cool. I like trying new stuff, and this is the first time I'll be doing something like this. I've tried making goreng out of a lot of different brands and varieties, kind of messing around with it and doing this and that, but this one, I think this one's gonna probably come out really well. I've made lots of instant noodle gorengs. This isn't the kind of noodle that you can, like, you know, open up, crunch up, put seasoning on, and eat it like a snack. This is kind of like if you tried to do that with spaghetti. It's a cooking noodle. You gotta cook it. But that is just fine. And it says to cook it halfway. And I think, honestly, we're approaching that. This one's thinner than the last Dara variety I did. The last one was definitely thicker. This is thinner. We're getting there though. Let's see how it goes. But yeah. So the main thing is gonna go on right here. And I'm gonna need a bit of water. And some oil. Come on, lid. And some. There we go. Thinking that'll be enough. I'm gonna turn this one up and add the seasoning sachet in. Alright, and so that should be done. Okay. We'll get this going. Turn that up a bit. That's off. This needs to be drained. Oh. So let this get going. Yeah, I'm curious how this is going to come out. There you go. Come on. Yeah, a lot of waiting for this to get up to temperature, but it shouldn't be long. Oh, here we go, it's getting going. It's starting. I hear it. The sizzle begins. I think the idea is what'll happen is I'll drop these noodles in, cook them for a while, and it'll suck up all this liquid, go with the oil, and then we'll have mee goreng. So let's drop this in now. Get them fully ensconced. I guess that would be the term, right? Ensconce the noodles. I don't. Smells good. Get rid of this. It mentions putting the vegetables and stuff in with it, but I got plans. I've already got my meats cooked and things like that, so. It smells good. I might throw in there is some, I was thinking of throwing some mung bean sprouts in with it, but I can definitely throw some scallion in with it right now. I think it's about done. It seems to have soaked up, either it's soaked it up or it's going all up in the air. I'll give it a little bit longer. A tad. Let's try it right now, honestly. Salty, sweet. Yeah. I think that's good. Yeah, I like that. Let's go like this. Often at times I hear people complaining about mee goreng and that the serving isn't big enough. This is a lot of mee goreng. This will, man. This will definitely, if you need a lot of mee goreng, this is a lot of mee goreng, folks. This is a whole lot. A whole heck of a lot. Wow. All right. Try that. Okay, let's garnish this thing. Yeah, good stuff. Really easy too. Easily prepared. Some coriander. A little chicken. Oh no, that's all right. It's done. Fried egg, of course. You know, just do that. For sauce. Lime. A little bit of sesame seed. And a little bit of fried onion. Come on, clean up. And a little bit of crushed red pepper. Get it. Okay. So there is some mee goreng. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And thanks to Ciptarasa for sending all these great samples over. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.